Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Chintapandu lollipops. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of fresh tamarind, 1 cup of jaggery or granulated sugar, and a small amount of water. For an extra zing, consider adding 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Don't forget your lollipop sticks or toothpicks for the final shaping. Next, we prepare the star ingredient, tamarind pulp. Take about 1 cup of tamarind and soak it in approximately half a cup of hot water for 20 minutes. This softens the fruit, making it easier to work with. Once softened, mash the tamarind thoroughly to extract all the pulp. Then, strain this mixture through a fine mesh sieve, pressing firmly to get a smooth, thick tamarind juice, free from any seeds or fibers. Now, it's time to cook our lollipop base. Transfer the smooth tamarind pulp to a pan and add about 1 cup of jaggery or granulated sugar. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly to prevent sticking. Continue cooking until the mixture thickens considerably and begins to leave the sides of the pan. If you like a spicy kick, stir in 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt at this stage. Finally, we get to shape our delicious lollipops. Let the cooked tamarind mixture cool down for about 15 to 20 minutes, making it easier to handle. Lightly dampen your hands with water to prevent sticking, then take small portions of the mixture. Roll them into small balls or other desired lollipop shapes. Insert a lollipop stick into each one, and then allow them to set completely at room temperature or in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. Enjoy your homemade Chintapandu lollipops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.